The Viewers tab is split into two main sections: a list of viewers, info about the selected viewers. You can change width a bit of these sections by dragging the separator. There's a checkbox that lets you choose whether to show everyone who's ever joined your channel or just the ones who are currently present. By default, this checkbox is checked. In the viewers list, each user has a platform icon next to them, so you can quickly see which platform they are watching from. Right now, it supports 3 platforms: Twitch, YouTube, and Trovo. Some users will have special icon based on their role: camera for the broadcaster, sword for moderators, diamond for VIPs. And of course, you will also see the user's display name. The list is divided into 2 main groups: present viewers and not present viewers. That's the first sorting criterion. Within each group, viewers are sorted by 2 more criteria. Role: broadcasters are at the top, since they are always present and have the highest role, followed by moderators, VIPs, viewers, and unknowns. Alphabetical order: within each role group, names are listed in alphabetical order. If you right-click on a user, you will get a context menu with some commands. Exempt: this will exempt the user from timeout actions, but only from commands coming from inside the Streamer.Bot. You still can time out the person from platform's dashboard or chat. Groups: here you can assign the user to 1 or more groups, which you can create in Streamer.Bot. This is handy if you want to filter your viewers and, for example, limit or affect their abilities. This command is platform dependent. Right now it works only for Twitch. From this menu you can ban someone, make them a mod or VIP, or just check out their channel. Delete: this will delete user from user.dat file, which contains data for all users which ever watched your stream or followed or subscribed to you. In user information you've got ID, user's internal ID for a platform. Type: this tells you which platform the user is from. Username: self-explanatory. Display: this shows the user's display name. Role: this indicates the user's role on your channel. It can be one of 5 types: broadcaster, moderator, VIP, viewer, or unknown. Last active: this shows when the user was last active in your channel's chat, even if they didn't type anything. Timeout exempt: this shows whether the user is exempt from timeout actions in Streamer.Bot. It basically reflects the state of the checkbox in the context menu. Subscribed: this displays their subscription status and, if subscribed, which tier they are on. Here is some Twitch specific fields. So let's first jump to last common field. Groups: this shows which groups inside Streamer.Bot you've assigned the user to. Now back to these fields. Bits donated: this tells you how many bits the user has spent on your channel. Channel points spent: this shows how many points the user spent on your channel. It's an internal Streamer.Bot counter, not the data from Twitch. It doesn't have such endpoint in their public API. This counter only tracks points spent when Streamer.Bot instance is running and doesn't account for refunds. Pyramids made: this shows how many emoji pyramids the user has made on your channel.